Okay, so this is a 5D painting kit hack that I thought of. See how everything's a mess and some of my beads are like spilling out. The ones that I've already used are all spilling out. And I'm just like, it's like I tear it and I put them back in these little packets and stuff. And I still have some that I have not used that I'm still doing for this painting here. And everything's just a mess and it's so unorganized. So today I went to Dollar Tree and I was thinking of finding stuff that I can use to put some of these beads in. So I found these. These are the pill boxes. They're very, very large, so it's going to be able to hold the little beads in each of the compartments. I went ahead and bought 2 of them, and I will just number them, put the numbers somewhere on top. And I think that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll buy another container or 2 of these for the rest of them. But yeah, if you want something like this, just check out your Dollar Tree. You don't have to go and buy those expensive containers that you see for these beads. You can just use a pill container and just put the numbers on the top here and the letters beside it. So that way you can do your 5D paintings. Everything will be all in its place here. And it's a lot cheaper. They're only $1 each. So I just thought of that. Thought that was pretty neat. So I'm going to put all the little beads in there. And I won't have to worry about them spilling all over the place like that. See how they're all spilled there? They're all mixed up now. So if you have some 5D paintings and you don't have anything to put them in, check out your local Dollar Tree. They'll just get some of these pill containers. They'll usually have these big ones like this. So it's like the perfect size for them. Alright guys, just wanted to share that with you. Okay, so I've already labeled these containers here. So this is 9 all the way through 15 on here. I even put the little letters on there. And then I have my second one that I need to label. And I'm just using a little bit of duct tape, just a little bit of strips, and putting them over the top like that. And just marking them, and I'll do that every time that I use whenever I get some more 5D paintings and need to relabel them. I'll just take these off and do them over. But yeah, these are really great. They do hold all the beads in place like really, really good. So I highly recommend this. If you're needing some of these containers like this, you can just get them at Dollar Tree. You don't have to go and order them online and wait for a long time for them to come in. They just have them at Dollar Tree. They probably even have them at Dollar General. Any place that sells pill containers, but the cheapest place would probably be Dollar Tree because I don't know how much they would be at Dollar General, and I don't even know if Dollar General would have them in this big size like that for $1. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Okay, so this is what I have done so far. I still have some more to do. I am on 13, which is T, and I still have all the way to 22 to do, but it's coming together quite nicely. You can actually see the birds starting to appear, the parrots flying, and then right here, and then that one. It's very, very, very colorful. I love that. And very sparkly. I can't wait till it's finished. It's going to look really, really pretty, and then I'll be able to trim this off and frame it. But that's what I have done so far. Mm-hmm.
Are you recording?